In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe payments in WooCommerce and test them before going live. We'll go through the full setup inside WordPress, connect Stripe to WooCommerce, turn on the payment methods you want, run a test checkout, and then switch everything to live mode once you know it's working properly. To begin, create a Stripe account if you don't already have one, or simply sign in to your existing account. It's a good idea to keep that tab open because you'll need it shortly when connecting Stripe to your store. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, install the official WooCommerce Stripe payment plugin. Make sure you choose the official plugin so you're using the supported integration designed to work smoothly with WooCommerce. Once the plugin is installed, activate it so the Stripe payment settings become available in your store. After activation, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then open the Payments tab. This is where you manage all the payment gateways available on your site. Find Stripe in the list and enable it. Once it's enabled, open the Stripe settings so you can connect your account. Now connect your Stripe account. This step usually takes you through a secure authorization process, allowing WooCommerce to communicate directly with Stripe. When the connection is complete, return to the payment settings and review the available options. At this stage, choose the card and digital wallet payment methods you want to accept. Depending on your region and store setup, you may see options like standard card payments and popular wallet methods. Enable only the ones that fit your checkout experience and customer needs. Keeping things simple can help reduce confusion during checkout. Before accepting real customer payments, turn on test mode. This is very important because it lets you simulate transactions without charging a real card. With test mode enabled, complete a checkout on your website using Stripe test payment information. Go through the process just like a real customer would and pay close attention to how the checkout page behaves. This helps you confirm that the payment form loads correctly and the order completes without errors. Once the test payment is submitted, check the transaction in WooCommerce and in Stripe. In WooCommerce, confirm that the order appears correctly and shows the expected payment status. In Stripe, verify that the test transaction was received. Checking both sides helps ensure the integration is working end-to-end. After successful testing, switch Stripe from test mode to live mode. This final step prepares your store to accept real payments from customers. Before you finish, take one last look through your payment settings to make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Once that's done, your WooCommerce store is ready to take payments with Stripe.